Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? What's happening, everybody? Hope everyone's having a great day. Hey, guys, I want to talk to you guys, man, about Forex. But first, happy Memorial Day, guys, to those here in the United States that celebrated. And grateful and thankful for the sacrifice for those who are no longer here, right? That, definitely served the country, have passed on. So definitely appreciative of that for helping secure our liberties and freedoms, guys. But I wanted to hop on here, man. I know a lot of people, this is a weekend to chill, barbecue, grill, have a good time, reflect, and enjoy summertime starting to come upon us, man. And while everyone's chilling, relaxing, man, I definitely wanted to see if I can catch a couple of people, and I want to talk about this thing called Forex. To you guys, man. In a second. Trying out some new software here. I'm making sure I'm live. I'm live on Facebook. I'm gonna go over here to YouTube, make sure I'm live, and see what's going on over here. Give me 1 second. 1 second. On my channel. How you guys doing, man? Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope everyone's having a great day. What's going on, bro? How you doing, man? Hope everything is well with you. Hope everything is well with you. Okay, cool. All right, I'm live on YouTube too, so cool, man. My two favorite platforms I like to communicate on, man. I just want to hop on here, guys, and talk about what is Forex, because when I talk to people about Forex, guys, people ask me, like, is it the same as stocks? Are they one and the same? And in a sense, they're the same from a standpoint of they are on the market of being able, the financial market, right? Of where you can create income for yourself by trading. Okay. Now, where Forex differs from stocks is that when you look at stocks, guys, stocks is all about buying, right? If a company is doing good, it's about trading companies. If a company is doing good, you're doing good. If a company is not doing good, guys, then your stock is not doing so good. So, that's one of the stark differences between Forex and the stock market, guys. With Forex, it's where you make money as the market goes up and as it goes down. Before I go back, exactly what is Forex? It is actually, it's the foreign exchange market. And what the foreign exchange market is, guys, it's the exchange of one currency versus another. So here I'm in the United States right now, right? Obviously, and back in February, I went to London. Okay, went to London. Thank you, man. Thank you. I'll check you out tomorrow. Went over to London, and I had to trade in my United States dollars for the Great Britain pound. Okay, now let's say for instance, for example, if I had 1,000 United States dollars and I trade that in for Great Britain pounds, okay, there is an exchange rate that happens between the two currencies that affects the value of each currency, one being worth more than the other. So let's say my United States dollars might have been worth, let's say, 1,100 Great Britain pounds, or maybe 700 or 800 Great Britain pounds. Now, there are different things that are in place that affect what the currency rate is, right? So what affects the value of each country's currency are different things like, are there, obviously any what's going on in the political realm? Are there elections coming up? How's the economy looking? When you look at what are the gas prices, what are the oil prices? Are there any talks of war or any sickness or anything that's hitting the country? So when you look at all of those different things, they affect the value. They affect the value of a currency, right? And so when you look on the foreign exchange market, the way it works is that you put one on the market when you have what's called a pair. So different pairs you put on the market. So like the Great Britain pound versus United States dollar is a pair. So on the foreign exchange market, what happens, guys, is that when you look at that, if you say, hey, I feel the Great Britain pound is going to be stronger than the dollar, then you would want to buy that. Okay. So if you press buy, on your phone or your computer or whatever, and if it goes into what we call a buy or goes long, you're making money, right? So if you feel that the dollar, the Great Britain pound versus the dollar, that the pound is going to be weaker, then you're looking for it to go down. And as it goes down, if you press sell, then you're going to make money. Now, that's as simple as pressing buy or sell, but what are all of the things in between it that make it so? So it's all about knowing when to press buy or sell, because the market is only going to move three ways. See, that's the difference one with Forex and the stocks. So like I said, you can make money when it's going up, or you can make money when it's going down. But what determines how do you know when to do that? It's all about education. It's all about plugging into resources, tools to help you know when to press buy and when to press sell. That's what you have to understand. And when you understand that, guys, you can create income on a daily basis, hand over fist, day in, day out, because it's a market that's open 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. So the market reopened. It closes on Friday, it reopens on Sunday. Things are actually a little slow today, pretty slow, because at least here we know for sure would have been a major holiday. So banks are closed and things are moving on a slower pace. And then with the dollar being one of the main major currencies that's traded. So the market is, I know for me anyway, has been moving rather slow today. Things will pick back up, and typically Mondays are a little slower. And what you got to understand is that some people say, well, man, I've never heard of it. Like I had a guy ask me, like, man, how come I've never heard of the foreign exchange market? You got to understand about something with Forex, guys. This was not something that was the privilege of everyday people, everyday working people to have access to, guys, even as early as 15 years ago. To be able to trade Forex, guys, you have to have a net worth of $3 million. So it was something that was just privy to the super wealthy, right? And then the big corporations and the big banks. Yes, when I say the big banks, guys, a lot of people don't understand is that the banks trade your money every single day, okay? So there's a reason why they have limits on how much we can take out, right? When they cap you out, 500 is like the limit, right? Unless you got to go in and then take out your money. So they limit you on what you can take on your money. But every night when you're asleep, or if you're awake, depending on what time it is, right? Depending on your schedule and what you're doing, the banks actually trade your money. They go into the market and they trade your money, and then they put it back, okay? And in the process, make themselves millions and millions, even billions and billions of dollars on a daily basis. That's the reality of it. So when we say, hey, beat the banks, trade like the banks, if they're going to be trading our money, why can't you trade your own money? Again, like I said, even up to 15 years ago, big banks, when you look at big corporations, or like I said, this is like a secret of the wealthy. Okay. Okay. I'll definitely reach out to you when I'm done with this. Thanks for reaching out. I know I did see you. Okay. I'll reach out to you for sure. So when you look at what the big banks, guys, have been able to do, like I was saying, it was a secret of the wealthy, guys, where a lot of really successful people, this is how they made their money. So now it got open to the public sector. So now where everyday people like you and I, people who, that work, or, who are out here trying to find ways to create wealth for ourselves, or people just the average, everyday, hardworking person, man, or a person who's down and out on their luck. Because right now with the market, guys, open it up to the public sector and through what's called broker institutions, right? Through brokers, you're able to trade your own money. You don't have to have a broker just trade your money for you. You can go learn a skill and trade your money, guys, with as little as $10 in some accounts. Now, I recommend starting with a little bit more than $10, but you can go with $10 in some broker accounts and start trading this skill of Forex and learn it. Okay, and now it's a skill if you put the time into it, you invest into it. Remember, this was a secret of the wealthy just even 15 years ago. You don't need a net worth of $3 million to have $1 million sitting in your bank account to learn it today. It's open to everyone. Okay, and that's something you guys see me, I'm always talking about. I implore that you get out here and learn it. Okay, you get out here and learn it, tracking for sure, because you got to learn it, because what I love about it is that once you learn this, man, it's knowledge. Once you learn it, it's something no one can ever take away from you. It doesn't matter what color you are, what race you are, what gender you are, what creed. Okay, it doesn't matter. None of that. Age doesn't matter. If you can watch videos, if you can press play, if you can click a few buttons, it's all mental. It's nothing physical about it. The most physical part is tapping buttons on the screen on your phone or computer. I'm teaching it to my kids. Another week of school is out, and my kids this summer, their focus is going to be, they're going to learn how to trade. In addition to sports and activities, trading is going to become a part of their summer curriculum, because I want them to understand is that now you can go in and siphon your own money, just like the wealthy have continued doing, just like the banks do, guys, and load your own bank account up and create your own economy. So it's a skill that takes time. Okay, if you're looking for something overnight, get rich quick scheme, or something that's where you're going to be super successful overnight, then this is not for you. You got to be willing to invest time, and anything worth having takes time, right? To become a solid trader, where, in my opinion, where you can get to the point where you can get out there and be in the markets on your own, just trading, guys. Some people 6 months, for some people I say 12 to 18 months is the time you want to give yourself, truly 12 to 18 months. But along that journey, it's all about plugging in the tools and resources, right? I've been fortunate myself, along with others, to tap into tools and resources to help you earn while you're learning, and provide you with proper education, knowledge, and things you need. So along with getting educated, right, I've been blessed to have where I can go into the markets and trade on my own now, and I'm grateful and thankful. I've learned the skill. No one can take it away from me. But along that path, I've had access to tools where I can simply just copy and paste in trades and be able to make money. So, for instance, the platform I'm a part of, my senior partner, she's one of the top traders in the company. She's one of the top educators, guys, and has created a 7+ figure income through learning this skill, right? Results vary for everyone. But, guys, in the middle of the night, she sends out a trade at night. Boom, I copy and paste that trade in right before I go to sleep. Boom, I wake up, I'm in profit. On a new account, I've already, just off of 4 trades, I've grown that account close to 40% in just 4 days. So, understanding, having access to things like that, why wouldn't I take advantage of tools and resources? Yes, I can trade on my own, but why wouldn't I take advantage of, if a 6 or 7 or 8 figure trader is going to send me a trade for me to copy and paste that they're using and they're putting in their live account, why wouldn't I take advantage of that to just even continue to increase my income, right? But at the same time, make life simple, for where it's going to be days like I won a trade last night. Like I said, the market is slow. I'm in a trade right now, but the market is moving slow, and more than likely it's going to pick up until tonight. I saw a nice entry this morning. I took it, but it's been moving at a snail's pace, because, like I said, it's a holiday and other things. So, but man, I tell you guys, whatever you do, learn this skill. Wherever you learn it at, learn it with somebody. If you want to connect with me, message me, and I'll definitely get you some more information. If you're already learning it, and I implore you, you guys know the deal, you know the benefit of it. And if you're out there wondering, should you learn it, please go learn it. Again, this is the foreign exchange market, guys. It moves different. It's a different beast. In the stock market is actually 20 times larger than the stock market. And it's a recession-proof market. While the stock market was crashing and things were happening when, obviously, with what's going on, I don't really like to talk about it. Well, what's going on in the world? The pandemic happened, right? And it's causing the market to crash. Forex is just remaining chill. Yes, there's going to be different volatility where each currency is affected, right? Where it's going to be spikes up and down. But when you know how to trade, when you know how to tap into resources or individuals that know how to trade, you could crush it and make some serious money during that time. With our platform, as the Dow was crashing, we were able to make money, right? As the Dow goes back up, we're able to make money. And so not only do we tap into Forex, guys, we also tap into cryptocurrency and high frequency Forex as well. And, it's just something for everybody. So I just want to get on here and just really talk about the difference, like what is Forex, right? What makes it different from the stock market? It is not the same thing, but it's something, guys, whether it's stocks, you want to invest in stocks and learn stocks, go learn it, okay? Because, when it comes to knowledge can never be taken away. Okay, all it can do is can be expanded on and passed on and given to others, and this value you can get for yourself and for your family. All right, guys. So that's all I had, man. One thing, like I said, just talk about that. I hope you all got some value from it. Listen, if you are interested in learning how to trade Forex, guys, message me, connect with me, or simply go to tradewithed.com for more information on the platform I utilize. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you guys. I will talk to you all later. Take care and have a great day.